highs in the upper 80s. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Isabella County Emergency Management. A sporadic 911 outage has occurred in Isabella County. Isabella County Emergency Management and 911 dispatch asks that you first try 911 in the event of an emergency, as the 911 outages are sporadic. If 911 is not available, Isabella County Emergency Management asks that you contact your local fire department in the event of an emergency until 911 service has returned. Thanks for listening.
Okay, there's two 911 telephone outage emergencies. One might have been, the first one might have been for the same county, and then this one just might have been updated, or the last one or the first one could have been for a different county, but it's not playing, so I assume that's what it was. But as you heard, the problem has not been resolved, so expect more messages. Might get an admin, because that's what happened last time. But missed this because ironically I was uploading EAS alerts from this night's little severe weather event. And I still have videos to upload. My time span ran out on my computer, so it's a good thing it did. Otherwise, I probably would have never caught this. I had 4 radios go off for this. My Radio Shack 12-521, my Midland WR120B, my WR300. And my Midland HH5254 VP2. And this is my third TOE. I'll see you guys later.